Hello guys, I'm Tech of God and you're watching my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play PlayStation 2 games on your PC. Well, this is a very demanding video, that's why I make it for you that how to do it. So first you need to follow my all steps and listen to me carefully. So you need to open your web browser. Well, I already give you the link. Well, this is the link of the PC SX2. This is an emulator of a PlayStation 2. It helps you to play games on your PC. Well, its settings are very difficult. You need to learn these settings from me. So you need to follow my instructions. First you need to download PCSX2 setup. Well, here is PCSX2. Now you need to install it. Now click on download button and the download will start like that. And now wait for 1 minute until the download is complete. And now it's going to be done. And now it's done. But remember, you need the PCSX2 BIOS first if you want to play games on your PC. So first you need to download PCSX2 BIOS. The link of the BIOS is given in the description. And now I'm going to show you that how to download it. First you need to go into my link. And now here is the PlayStation 2 BIOS pack. You need to download it. Well, it's very important. Because only of this BIOS you can run PCSX2 emulator on your PC. Well, the PCSX2 setup settings are very difficult. So you need to follow my instructions and you need to see my full video carefully. And now it starts downloading. Here is PlayStation 2 BIOS pack. Well, it's a zip file. You need to extract it on your PC. So you need a WinRAR setup. When the WinRAR setup is given in the description, well, that's very easy to install WinRAR. So if you have WinRAR, so you can extract it, but if you have not, so you can download it in the link and install it. Well, it takes some time. You need to wait for 2 minutes. And now the BIOS is downloaded. And now first you need to install PCSX2 setup. Here is, these both files are installed. So now I'm going to install it. Here is PCSX2 setup. Double click on it and the setup will be automatically starts. Well, you need to accept the all demands of the PCS2 because it's very important. Now click on next and now choose the path. Well, local disk C is much better, so I install on local disk C. And now click on the install button and now the installation starts. and now it's installed. And now click on the close button, and now run the PC SX2. Double click on it, and now choose your language, English, and now click on the apply button, and now after go to the next, and now click on next. Well, it needs a BIOS ROM, so you need to extract the BIOS ROM first. So now go to the downloads, and now double click on the PlayStation 2 BIOS pack, like that. But first you need to make a folder to install and extract it on it. So you need to make a folder like that, and now extract it. Now click on extract button, and now click on the path that you downloaded. Well, I downloaded it on the downloads folder. Here is the new folder, and now click on it, and now click on the OK button, and now it starts extracting, and now it's extracted. And now go to the new folder, and now go to the BIOS, and now copy all the BIOS, and now go to the documents. As you can see here that there is a PC SX2, and now double click on it, and now go to the BIOS option, and now paste it. Here is the full data of BIOS, and now close it, the window, and now click on refresh list, and now here are the consoles. Well, I recommend 2006 version to all because it's much better than ever. So now click on the finish button after choosing it, and now your PC SS2 is starting. But remember, you need to set up the controls, the audio and the graphics. So we go into the controls first, and now go to the config option, and now these all options are displayed. And now you need to click on the controls option, and now click on the plugin settings, and now click on the pad 1. Well, I already do it, and I already set it, but the controls option is given in the description. You can see and set on it. So well, I already set it, and now first, for example, well, you need to plug in the audio. Now change the cat mode ROM to the linear, and now change X audio to the direct sound, and now click on the OK button. Well, we have done controllers and audio, and now set the video. Go to the plugin settings. Here is, well, you need to choose your own graphics card if you want a better experience of gaming. So now click on the OK button. Well, we set all the things, and now the next thing is playing. So now I'm gonna show you the example of WWE SmackDown Here Comes the Pain, and now you need to download some games, but remember you need to download ISO files because ISO file is very important to run the game. So you can search it on Google. Well, the ROM's link is given in the description, you can go it. Well, this is only a demo, so I download the short game of Here Comes the Pain, but you can download full games from the link. I already give you the BIOS link. You can download many full games by the link. And now I'm gonna click on the free down button, and now the countdown starts. Well, you need to wait until it goes to 0. and now it's going to be 0. Yes. Well, the download is automatically starts after the 0, as you can see here. And now wait for 29 seconds. Well, the seconds is dependent on your internet connection. And now it's downloaded, and now I'm going to show you the example. But first you need to extract this also. And now you need to make archive, and now drag on the new window archive, and now it going to extract. And now it's extracted. And now go to new window archive and double click on it, and now it's extracting. And now here is the ISO file, and now you need to extract it. You need to make a folder, and now extract it on the folder. Click on the new folder too, and now click on OK, and it starts extracting. And now wait, and now it's extracted here. And now open the PC-SX2 again by double click on it, and now click on the system, and now click on the boot C DVD fast option, and now go to the downloads, and now go to the new folder 2 and choose this ISO, and now double click on it. And now it's starting. Here is. So hurry up guys, do this trick, and if you like my video, so please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't use strong language. Thanks. And if you want to learn from me anything at live, so you can click on my website link. The link of my website is given in the description.